Hey my friends, welcome back. This is Keiron Hogg at KeironHogg.com, and this is another Elementor tip for affiliate marketers. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you, once you have created your Optin page in WordPress, how you can link it up to your autoresponder. So with that being said, let's not waste any more time. I'll see you on the other side. All right, my friends, so here I am in my WordPress account. I've created an opt-in page. This particular one is to get my bonus page template for free. Now I want to hook it up to my autoresponder. So once you insert your button like so of course you would just have your button widget in there, right? So once you click on this, you want to fill in the information. So if I go down to actions after submit, I want to redirect, and my particular autoresponder is GetResponse. Okay, so after I redirect, I'm going to redirect it to another page. Now you guys, that's entirely up to you where you want it to redirect to, but this is my autoresponder, and in this particular example, like I said, it is GetResponse. So you need your custom API key. So what you want to do, you want to go to your GetResponse account, just click on the drop down menu, integrations and API, click on that. API, click on that right there at the top, copy this like so, and then you would just click it, put it right in there, okay? And then it will give you a list of your lists that you have created in your particular autoresponder, like I said, and then just put it in there like so, okay? So then that means when somebody clicks on here, they enter their name and email, you're going to collect that email from them, okay? So you can do that with any opt-in page that you create. It can be infinite. So I've got another opt-in page here that is free video training for newbies or struggling affiliates to get on the road to be making 6 figures a year. Again, I have it linked to my GetResponse account here, but just to a different list. So my friends, that is how easy it can be to link up your autoresponder to your opt-in page. That way you can help give benefit to your audience and also collect their email so you can update them with cool new products down the road or new information that they can use to help their business grow. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment, hit that bell button. And if you guys want my bonus page template and my free video training, that is also going to be down below as well. Until then, my friends, best of luck on your journey, and I'll talk to you soon.